Today we are going to be learning about the Earth and the Sun. The first thing we have to understand is Earth's rotation on its own axis. It takes 24 hours for the Earth to make a full rotation, hence where we get day and night. Next, we have the Earth's revolution around the Sun. It takes the Earth 365 days to make a full revolution around the Sun. Now that we know a little bit more about the Earth's rotation and revolution, I want you to take a few seconds to talk with a partner about the difference between a rotation and a revolution. Now that we understand that Earth's rotation on its own axis causes night and day, we now need to understand what Earth's revolution around the Sun causes. Earth's axis is not straight up and down. It is actually at a slant or a tilt, which causes the globe to be tilted. Since the Earth is tilted, it causes some of the Earth to be tilted more towards the Sun and half of it to be tilted further away from the Sun, which is what ultimately causes the seasons. There are 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, and winter. Here's a picture of what spring looks like. It's starting to warm up outside, flowers are starting to bloom, and we see more animals coming around. Here is a picture of what summer looks like, where the temperatures are a lot higher than spring, and usually all the flowers have bloomed and the animals are out. Now we have fall. The leaves are starting to change, the temperature is cooling down, but we're still not quite to that winter weather yet. Now we arrive at winter. The temperatures are a lot colder, and we start to experience snow. Since we live in Kansas, we get to experience spring, summer, fall, and winter. I want you to pair up and think about how these things differ. Next up, we are going to create our own seasons on a piece of construction paper. The first step is to fold your piece of paper into 4s. So when you unfold it, you will have 4 different sections. Now we are going to label our squares. In the first square, write spring. In the second, write summer. In the third, write fall. And in the final, write winter. Next, we are going to draw and color the different seasons. So in the spring box, you will draw what spring looks like and color it in accordingly. Now we are going to flip the piece of paper over. For each season, write 2 to 3 sentences on what it's like.